guys, hello everyone. Today we will study the color codes in a register. What are these color codes? When you will look into a resistor, this is an electrical resistor, and when you will look into it, it is a circuit component, and when you will look into it, you will find various colors on the body. Let's say this is violet, and it can be red, it can be black, it can be blue, it can be golden, it can be yellow, it can be multiple colors. And these color codes help us to determine the value of this particular resistor and how much current or how much potential it will stop to flow in the circuit. So let us begin. The first topic we will learn is what is an electrical resistance. What is an electrical resistance we will study at the beginning, and before learning what is a resistor and color code, this is the basic topic, what is resistance, to understand. Resistance is the electrical quantity, is an electrical quantity, very important term. Electrical quantity, another important term, because in case of resistor you will read here electrical component and it is the electrical quantity. Very slight difference is there, but the difference is a difference that measures how the device or a material reduces the current flow through it. How a material reduces, another important term. Resistance is the measure of opposition to the current flow in an electrical circuit. It is the measure of the opposition to the current flow in an electrical circuit. Materials that are present high resistance and restrict the flow of electron. These resistance restricts the flow of electron. This quantity restricts the flow of electron. Okay, let me bring out a diagram. This is a wire and it has a resistance and it has a circuit component, bulb. Okay. Current is flowing in this circuit in this direction. Okay. And I have given a resistor here. Now, as current is flowing in this direction, electrons should be flowing in this direction. Remember, current is the flow of electron, and current always moves opposite to the direction of the electron. So resistance will reduce the amount of current or will stop the flow of current. So for doing that, resistance needs to stop the flow of electron so that it can stop the flow of current. So resistance will stop the flow of electron. Resistance is measured in ohms. The SI unit of resistance is ohms. It is a Greek alphabet, ohm. And the circuit symbol of resistance is like this, as I have drawn before, like this. Now my second topic is what are resistors. A resistor is a passive two-terminal means like this. One terminal this side, current will come, another terminal, current will go, passing through the resistor. That implements electrical resistance as a circuit element. It is a circuit element or a circuit component, and in resistance we found it is a quantity. Very important term, element. It is a circuit element, it is not a quantity. In electronic circuits, resistors are used to reduce the current flow. Why are resistors used? To reduce the current flow. How come? I have told you before. By reducing the flow of electrons through it. Adjust single levels to divide voltages, bias, active elements, and terminate transmission line among users. This is a resistor and this is a bulb. Okay, current is flowing in this direction. Now this bulb requires less voltage to glow than the voltage is passing in this direction. Then if the resistor won't be there, then what will happen? the bulb will burn because it will gain more amount of current than required. But this resistor will stop a certain amount of current, which will allow the bulb to glow with the proper intensity by applying the proper voltage. This is the diagram of a resistor. You all can see that the bands which I told you and the two terminals, current will come from this side and will go back to this side. Now let us come to our topic. What are the color codes? Look into this resistor properly. Can you find some various bands of color, like here is golden, here is sky blue, here is black, and here is brown, here is golden. These color bands help us to determine the amount of resistivity in the resistor. This is the most important thing for this finding out the values. The most important thing you can tell. This direction includes all the colors. It includes all the colors, and it has the band 1 value, band 2 value, band 3 value, and band 4 value. Band 3 is the multiplier. That means with the band 1 and 2 value, band 3 value will multiply, and this is the tolerance of the color or the resistor. The band 1 value of black is 0. It will continue down to brown 1, red 2, orange 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, white, for white it is 9, and gold and silver I will come afterwards. It is exceptional case. It will move ascending order from 1 to 9. Again the band 2, it is 0, band 1 and band 2 value is same for them. Band 1, 2, 1, 0, 2, band 2, brown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will move down to white up to 9. Now the multiplier will have a power to the power 10 of the band 2. That means the band 2 value will come in this power. Band 1 value will come in this power, 10 to the power 1. It means how much? 10 to the power 0 means 1. 10 to the power 1 means 10. The red band will come the value 2. 10 to the power 2 means 100, and it will go so on. It will be 1000, that is 1 kilo. It will be 10 kilo. This will come to this, and it will go so on moving. Now let me come to gold and silver. For gold and silver, the band 1 and band 2 value is null. And let me come this, the band 4 value up to white is null. Almost null. Sometimes for some colors it is there, but it is almost null. Now for gold and silver, the band 1 and band 2 value is null. Band 3 value of gold is 10 to the power minus 1, i.e. that is 1 by 10, and here it is 1 by 100. And the tolerance is plus minus 5% for gold and plus minus 10% for silver. Now let us move to the next slide and find the resistivity of some resistor. Let us calculate. Before this, it is very tough to remember all the sequence from black to white or silver in this order: black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green. It is quite tough. And if you can remember this series, you can easily get, because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, who doesn't remember? So let us come to this line. Black, brown rods of your gate become very good when given silver color. Now let us come. Black and brown means everybody knows that the first two colors will be black and brown. Rods, R for rod, R for red. O for orange. Yellow, your yellow. Gate, green, G for green, B for blue, V for violet, very violet. G for grey, good grey. W for white, G for golden, given. Silver color, who doesn't know? It is already written, silver color. Now let us calculate the resistivity of a resistor. Of a particular resistor, let us calculate the resistivity of a given resistor in the diagram. This is my resistor. The first and foremost task we will do is, we will identify the colors. This is what color? Golden. Now the second color is this one. It is blue. Now the third color black. And the fourth color is brown. Now what we will do, we have to do the calculation now. Now the first band value will be brown. Why will it be brown? Why not gold? Because in that table we found that gold and silver has no band 1 and band 2 value. Then if it is band 1 value, then it will be 0, which is not possible. So gold always forms the band 4 value, and in very rare cases it forms the band 3 value. So our band will start from here. The first band is brown, and the value of brown is 1. Let's check it out from the table. See, brown, band value of brown is 1. Now the band 2, it is black. Black is 0. Band 3 multiplier is blue. It is 10 to the power 6. The multiplier of blue is 10 to the power 6. Now let's go to the table and check it out. Blue 10 to the power 6 multiplier. Now the band 4 value, that is the tolerance of gold, is it is plus minus 5%. Now let us calculate the final result. The first band 1 and band 2 value will sit as it is, 1 then 0, 10. It will be multiplied with the multiplier into 10 to the power 6, and then the tolerance will sit as it is, plus minus 5%, and the unit will be ohm. It is very, very simple. Only you have to remember that table. Now let us do for another resistor. What is the band 1? Let us first identify all the colors better. Let us first identify all the colors. It is yellow. It is blue. It is none other than red. And this one is golden. So band 1 to band 4, it will be from this direction, 1 to band 4. As golden is at the bottom, it will be band 4, and this topmost will be band 1. Now let's do the calculation. The band 1 value will come here, yellow. Value of yellow is 4. Let's check it out. Value of yellow is 4. Band 1 value of yellow is 4. Now what will be the value of band 2? Blue. Band 2 is blue. Value will be 6. Band 3 value of red is into 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2. Let's check it out. Band 3 value, multiplier value of red, 10 to the power 2. And now the band 4 value, tolerance of golden, is plus minus 5%, as you can see in last slide, or even in the table you can find it out. Now the final value will be band 1, band 2 will sit as it is, 46. It will multiply with the multiplier, that is 10 to the power 2, and plus minus 5% will sit as it is, unit will be ohm. You will calculate to find out the proper value. I have not done the calculation. Calculation is very easy. 46 into 100 plus minus 5% ohm, you can easily do it. So hope you enjoyed learning with me. Stay connected with me. Like the video, share my channel, share the video, subscribe my channel, comment, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So thank you guys. Good.